Morning everyone, this is Audrey, the travel mama. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if this is your first time. In this video, I'm going to show you the new girls on some of my new Hoya and Hoya cuttings. Here is my Hoya propagation bottle. I have multiple Hoya cuttings inside. As you all can see, there are some leaves growing on some cuttings and new roots in the bottle. I probably will pot them when leaves are getting bigger so I can recognize which Hoya those are. Here is my Coroniana Super Silver. As you can see, there is a new growth on these new cuttings. Let me turn it so you guys can see it. I love those leaves. It's such a beautiful tiny leaves with this kind of silverish pattern on it. This is my new Hoya Sunrise. It already has new growth on it, and the new growth looks pretty good. I showed you guys on the last video about the new growth on my old Hoya Sunrise. Well, the leaves started to fall again, so I think there is some serious problem with that sunrise. I'm glad I got this back up. Look at those new leaves, they look so good. Here is my Hoya Carnosa Velvet Gray, one of my favorite Hoyas. Look how cute those leaves are. I love those patterns on this Hoya. And here's a new growth on here. Here is one of my oldest Hoya, the Hoya Shipperati. I had this Hoya for many years, but look at this, it does not look like a big Hoya at all. So yes, I think this one grows really slow at least, I think. But look at that, here is a petungos on this Hoya. It is the first time this Hoya produced a petungo, so I'm really excited about it. I can't wait to see what the flower looks like on this one. Here is the Hoya Husqvarna, one of my newest Hoya in my collection. I love this Hoya, and you all know why, because of the pattern on this leaf. But I also love to sunstretch this Hoya so it could turn a little bit pink on the new leaves. It's just overall such an easy Hoya and such a beautiful Hoya. is the Hoya calistrophala, also one of my newest Hoya. Shortly after I received it, I saw on a Hoya Facebook group that someone purchased this one from the same seller and the Hoya died. I was actually worried. It is such a relief to see these new growth. I'm excited. Here is my Hoya Bella cutting. I know I need to repot them. I just keeps pushing it back. They're growing so good in this pot and there's so many new growths on them. And yes, I will repot them. Here is Hoya rotundiflora, a very tiny but very interesting Hoya. I actually purchased this by accident to save some shipping cost. It has a new growth on it and seems not a fussy Hoya at all. And this new growth started to grow leaves on it too. You probably wouldn't see it, but this Hoya also busy growing roots in the bottom. Here is my Hoya crowning Ala Black. One of the black Hoya, actually might be the only black Hoya I own. It has been busy growing root and new leaves. I love those black leaves. They have a really good textures, a little bit hardy, but overall such a beautiful Hoya. Here ends today's short video about new growth on new Hoya. If you have questions or suggestions regarding Hoya, leave a comment down below. You all have a fabulous day. Happy growing!